morning friends, welcome to yet another video. In today's video we are going to learn about Surya Namaskar. So for Surya Namaskar, it is very important place in yoga because it is an exercise of 360 body. So each and every part of your body get utilized when you do Surya Namaskar, and this will help you to improve your flexibility, muscle tonality. There are different variations of the Surya Namaskar. In today's video we are going to learn about 12-step Surya Namaskar, which is very easy and comfortable, so that it can be done by each and every age group. We need to hold the position, so there would be a 12 steps in the Surya Namaskar. We need to hold at every step so that the benefit of this asanas or Surya Namaskars we can get for our body. So let's do the Surya Namaskar. So you can notice two techniques for Surya Namaskar. First one is try to be in the same position, like where your legs are placed. You have to, once you complete all 12 steps, all your body should get returned on the same place where your legs are kept. So your legs should not move ahead or backwards. It has to be on the same position so that your technique will not go wrong. And another technique is you have to do with different legs. So first, if you have done it with right leg, the second 12 steps you have to do with the left one. So same thing you need to repeat. You try to complete at least 2 steps initially, and gradually you can increase the number of steps. So Surya Namaskar is one of the best exercise in yoga, which will help you to improve your body overall health. Thank you.